So it's another miserable day. I was looking at the engine bay in the Mini. One of my friends sent me a picture of it. He took it to Cars and Coffee, and the engine bay, the rocker cover was manky. And I asked a few people what's the best thing to use. Apparently WD-40. So I'm going to give it a quick go, see what it turns out like. So here's the issue. I will show you now. It's pissing rain out, but yeah, as you can see, it doesn't look that bad on camera, but when you get close up, it's just dirty and grimy, and from certain angles it just looks filthy. I will be redoing this in the next few months. Everything is coming out, engine bay is getting done the same green, and yeah, just go tidy up, refresh inside here, new brake stuff, and yeah, so I'm just going to spray this and get it cleaner than it actually is right now. So yeah, that made a dramatic difference. Like, wow. Good tip on the WD-40. So it breaks down grease, so it's a natural degreaser. The rocker cover doesn't need to be painted again, but I just wanted to clean it up just to make it look clean. I don't want to rip it all out, replace some seals. I need to get the head done on it. It's smoky, so the seals need to be done. The valve stems need to be done, and just a general clean up with the engine bay. I want to fix all of this and make it nice all down here, stick in some metal, get rid of all this braking system, and just make it nice under the bay, as nice as the car is. So I just want to revamp the bay. It's the only bit of the car that didn't get done. I want to redo the interior with the tanned leather stuff. It just came off, the sun just bleached it out. But yeah, Jesus, that's some difference. And it's not the camera picking up, just making it look better. It actually, the WD-40 done the job. Really happy with that, really. So yeah, just a quick update on the Mini. There's plenty to come with the Mini. If you do love the Mini, who doesn't love the Mini? I'm thinking about replacing the wheels, just putting something stupid on the car, staying with 13s as well, 13x7s. Any bigger or smaller on a Vtec is just pure silliness. I do want to do the brakes. I'm thinking about like rebuilding the whole rear subframe on it again. It was done 7 years ago. Thinking about doing it again. Do all the bushes, everything that needs to be done in it. And the same as the front. I know I've done loads of work on it already, but unfortunately Minis are just one of them projects that never stop. Like the steering column was rebuilt a few years ago, had to do it again. But yeah, the Vtec stuff and the all-speed frame has never let me down. So if you're up for it, subscribe to the channel. Make sure you're following along for the Mini builds. There will be other builds coming up. There's Out the Back Garden, which hasn't been updated yet on the YouTube. There are videos there, but only available to the Patreon and YouTube memberships. We also have the Fiat, and then I will be buying another car once the back garden is finished, and then I'll have somewhere to build the cars. It's exciting times for myself and the channel. So yeah, don't forget, subscribe, like the video, comment, let me know what you think of the Mini and whatever else we're doing on the channel. So peace out, see you in the next one, and don't forget, be dedicated. Peace out.